loves, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and the month is almost over, so I'm doing a reset. I started off with organizing my makeup and my drawers because I've been doing a lot of makeup and I've been up and down attending events, so it was looking a mess. And I was also eliminating some of the things that I wasn't in love with. So yeah, and let's see what this vlog has for you. So I took my wigs to be washed. They are all clean. Keeping them in this small case meanwhile because I've not got a perfect spot for them because I don't want them to be dirty. So I'm currently putting them in this small case until when we get a perfect one for them. So it's been 4 months since I started using shear pads, and apart from a few things that I'm going to talk about, the negative one, this is how I've found shear pads. I use shear pads, from shear pads to pant liners, and this has been my experience. One, I love the inclusivity. Now I'm a thick girl and I love the fact that I can get a pad that is big enough to accommodate of course my babies, and I don't have to be uncomfortable all the day because of how big and long shear pads are. Now for someone who is small, they have of course different sizes from extra small, medium, extra large and large, so everyone is covered. Apart from that, for someone who experiences a lot of period cramps, I love the fact that Actually, I don't have to struggle with infections, skin irritation when I use shea pads, and you feel comfortable all throughout your week. Okay, and another thing that I love about it, it has these pant liners which are comfortable, they are soft, and the only thing that I don't really like about shea pads is the fact that they have the pads have got little glue, and that can be kind of uncomfortable. I think they can rectify that, like little glue, so you have to put on an extra biker so that you don't be uncomfortable all throughout your day. So yeah, thank you for making my cycle very comfortable. Bye.
Whip up my appetite.